I started painting murals in my home 8 years ago when I was too broke to afford wallpaper, but I could afford the little sample pots of paint. And my entire house was painted like this really mature gray because I was trying to be a grown-up, but it just didn't reflect my personality at all. So I started painting stripes in my house. It kind of just became a fun way for me to express my art and my personality. I'm Rachel Jackson. I am a muralist from Portland, Oregon, and I love colorful design in homes. In every rental that I've had, I always tried to customize the space and make it, feel personal, but I have never had a rental that let me paint, or if they did let me paint, I had exorbitant fees that I had to pay to make that happen. So owning a home and being able to paint the walls and customize them however I want is incredibly liberating. For somebody who's starting out with personalizing their home, I'd find one thing that feels really inspiring to you, and then I would use that as kind of like your starting place.